Good morning, all of you. In previous lecture, we have discussed the introduction of energy engineering subject and introduction of general global service scenario in India and world. So today we have discussed here global scenario of energy in the Maharashtra. So see here, this is hello, my hello, my voice is audible. Suraj, are you there? Suraj, Suraj, my voice is audible. Hiram,
Yes, sir, audible.
okay, okay. See here, this is general global scenario in Maharashtra. Thermal power plant operation. First, Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station capacity 3,340 megawatt. Kordi Thermal Power Station 620 megawatt. Khaparkheda Thermal Power Station 1340 megawatt. Bhusawal Thermal Power Station 1420 megawatt. Nashik Thermal Power Station 630 megawatt. Paragi Thermal Power Station 1130 megawatt and Pagas Thermal Power Station 500 megawatt. This is thermal power plant in currently work in our Maharashtra and this is capacity in megawatt of each plant. So see here, this is all energy produced in thermal power plant by using coal. So this plant is currently working in this Maharashtra in Maharashtra. So next plan and under development Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station project U8 92X 500 megawatt Kordi Thermal Power Station project U8 910 3X 660 megawatt Pagari Thermal Power Station project U8 1X 250 megawatt. This is upcoming project are under development. Sorry, under development project in Chandrapur, Kordi, and Pagari. Thermal power station gas base Uran gas turbine power station 4 into 108 2 into 120 equal to 672 megawatt. So next, hydropower station in Maharashtra. See, this is hydropower station in Maharashtra, Bhatgar Dam, Batsa, Bhira, Dimbe, Gadgar Pump Storage Hydroelectric Power Plant, capacity 250 megawatt, Kaner Dam, Koyna Hydroelectric Project, 1956 megawatt. This is very high capacity of Koyna Dam to produce electricity. Manik Do Dam, Panchet Dam, Pauna, Surya, Tigagi, Uzni, Vaitarna, Warasgon, Veer, Varna, Erdagi Dam. So, global primary energy sources. So, basic primary sources in global level coal 984 billion tons coal. USA has 25.4%, Russia 15.9, China 11.6, and India 8.9%. The petroleum oil global 1147 billion barrels, one barrel equal to 160 liters. So Saudi has 23% and gas 176 billion cubic meter. Russian has 27%. World reserve, we lost oil 45 years, gas 65 years, coal 200 years. So global consumption 9741 billion ton of oil equivalent metric ton, developing country energy growth rate 2.7%. Oil use is 39%, natural gas 2.2%, coal predominant CO2 emission increases 1.9%, 1 metric ton coal equal to 0.41 metric ton. So India energy, India 17% of population consume 3.5% world energy. So see a type coal in India, uses of coal 58.3%, 92 billion ton, 662 million ton per year, import 730 million per ton, million ton, in global 8.6%, will last 230 years, world will 192 years. So see oil 36%, 763.48 million ton, 36 million ton use, 0.4% top 10 in the world, 82% imports. Gas 10%, 1227.4 billion and 31.9 BCM per year, 0.77 world will. Nuclear power 2.4, 70,000 million ton and 3310 megawatt. The power production scenario in India and Maharashtra, we can see here. In India, for uses of coal 1 lakh 96,097, gas 24,867, diesel 837, total 2 lakh 21,802, nuclear 6780, hydro 45487, areas total 72,012, grand total 3 lakh 46,082 in India. In Maharashtra 26,000, in Maharashtra coal uses 26,960, in gas 3512, diesel 0, total 3473, nuclear 690, hydro 3033, 331, total 8,759, and grand total 43,254. So see here all India capacity, all India installed capacity megawatt sector wise as on 2018. This is, we can see here all India installed capacity in megawatt currently in according to 2018. So state and given various values, coal, gas, diesel, nuclear, hydro is given. This is given state level, private and central and all India. Role of private sector, see, role of private sector, Electricity Act 2003 private allowed, remove need of license for power generation, which thing required for private sector to produce electricity to develop power plant. So power plant having 1,000 megawatt, no tax for 10 years. Allowed 100% FD, saving bulk power to grid, less import duty for 1,000 megawatt, and more plant equipment, 40% by private sector. So government organizations through National Thermal Power Corporation (NTPC) established in 1975. 45% share is production and distribution. Rural Electrification Corporation, some state 100% REC. Nuclear Power Corporation, it was set up 1987, target 20,000 megawatt. National Hydropower Corporation, Power Grid Corporation of India, State Electricity Board, load shedding. During power storage, some dispensable appliances are switched off. Expect the essential service like water supply and street lighting. In the power shortage, some dispensable appliances are switched off. Expect the essential service, means important service like water supply and street lighting. This causes minor inconvenience to consumer. Load shedding can also be done on the entire system simultaneously or on different parts of network in city in rotation. In case of industry, if load increase above certain maximum demand, circuit breaker switch off power which is installed at company premises. In case of more load, few non-necessary equipment can be switched off. This is for load setting. What is carbon credit? Carbon credit is a generic term for any tradable certificate or permit to representing the right to emit 1 ton of carbon dioxide or the mass of the another greenhouse gas with a carbon dioxide equivalent to 1 ton of the carbon dioxide. Carbon credit is a generic term for any tradable certificate or permit representing the right to emit 1 ton of carbon dioxide. 1 ton of carbon dioxide or the mass of another greenhouse gas with the carbon dioxide equivalent to 1 ton of carbon dioxide. Carbon credits and carbon markets are a component of national and international attempts to mitigate the growth in concentrations of greenhouse gases. One carbon credit is equal to 1 ton of carbon dioxide. In some markets, carbon dioxide equivalent gases. Carbon trading is the application of an emission trading approach. Greenhouse gas emissions are capped and then markets are used to allocate the emission among the group of regulated sources. See, this is Kyoto Protocol. How to generate carbon credits. Carbon credit. CO2 and NOx CFC standard in 1992 in Brazil Earth Summit. 1997, 160 countries met in Japan Kyoto. Now 184 countries accepted. 2001 Bush Dennis. 2004 170 countries signed in Germany. Even Russia signed in 2004. 2005 process. 2011 Canada withdraw. China become major emitter and USA not a part of but Qatar for 1 kilowatt per hour equal to 1 ton of CO2. If wind instead of coal reduce 1 ton equal to 1 carbon credit. can sell such credit, one credit equal to $36. This money can be used for development of developing country. So clean development mechanism, CDM, developing country needs set a project, development country, earn carbon credit for certified emission reduction, sell carbon credit to developed countries. India pocket was 1500 crore in the year 2005 just by selling carbon credit to developed country clients. India has generated 30 million carbon credit and 140 million are in pipeline. Some of the leading companies of India using saving carbon credit, SRF, NTPC, ONGC, Gujarat for carbons, fluorocarbons limited. Cascade efficiency energy focuses on industrial energy efficiency. Cascade energy focuses on industrial energy efficiency. With help, you do more with less energy, reducing energy cost and increase productivity and profit. Cascade has special expertise in industrial refrigeration, compressor air, and fan and pump. Gas in burn at 1200 degrees Celsius, first power plant, heat out 260, industry, heat out 150, greenhouse, heat out 5090 for office, heat out 2050 for residential areas. Like that. So this is way to use heat and gases removed to atmosphere at atmospheric temperature. So Cascade energy focuses on industrial energy efficiency. We help you do more with less energy, reducing energy cost and increase productivity and profit. Cascade has special expertise in industrial refrigeration, compressed air, fan, and pump. So efficiency go high, right thing is doing on wrong way, right thing is doing on right way. So wrong thing is doing on wrong way, wrong thing is doing on the right way. This is top, like that effective, and here efficiency, effectiveness goes down. Thermal power plant contain general information, general layout of modern power plant with different circuit, working of thermal power plant, coal classification, coal handling, ash handling, and dust handling. Steam power plant convert chemical energy to fossil fuels. In mechanical energy, classification of steam power plant, central station, industrial power station, or captive power station, like that. So see here, up to here, we have covered introduction of energy engineering or power plant. Now we are going to thermal discussing here thermal power plant. In this thermal power plant, we are seeing here content in the thermal power plant, general information, general layout of modern power plant with different circuit, working of thermal power plant, coal classification, coal handling, ash handling, dust handling. So steam power plant convert chemical energy of the fossil fuel into mechanical energy, classification of steam power plant, central station, industrial power station, captive power station. So, any doubt, any queries in our first part of the first unit, all of you? Yes? Any doubt, any queries? So, let's go to discussing factor of steam power plant location selection. Availability of raw material 1 megawatt required 1210 calls per day. Approximately 400 megawatt require 5,000 to 5,000 ton coal per day. So near Coalfield railway station, in this availability of raw material near to power plant, nature of plant should have good bearing capacity. Minimum bearing capacity must be 1 mega Newton per meter square. Cost of land, availability of water, transport facility, ash disposal facility for 400 megawatt requires 10 hectares per year land. For 400 megawatt require 10 hectares per year land for ash dumping height up to 6.5 meter. In ash disposal for 400 megawatt plant will require 10 hectares per year land for each dumping height up to 6.5 meter. 10 hectares area required for 400 megawatt power plant and height up to 6.5 meters. Availability of labor, size of the plant, road center, near road center or near city of road, public problem away from towns, future extensions. The essential requirement of steam power plant, reliability, minimum capital cost, minimum operating and maintenance cost, capacity to